Danny's going up in a crevice for no reason other than fun and good times. and good times. Oh.
Good morning, everybody. It is Dan from Stan and Dan's Positive Vibes and Good Times. Stan couldn't make it today. We're in Aspen, Colorado. This right here next to me is the original ski lift. A long time ago was that thing being used. What's up, Positive Vibers? We made it here with Devin, and we are gonna be hiking all the way up there. We're also with Tasha. So guys, we're gonna hike up this little cloud park. We're gonna go up the trail a little bit, and then we're gonna say forget this trail, and we're hiking straight up. Alright guys, so once you get up through the trail and you get to this sign right here, that's when you say forget the trail and you go this way. And just follow their camera, you'll see where we go.
Wish us luck.
Alright guys, hopefully there are no bears. Alright guys, we passed the hobo camp. No hobos this morning.
No hobo.
Well,
look at this tree that turned into a transformer and trying to walk away.
We didn't get far.
Danny conquering the runaway tree.
Alright guys, you want to see Aspen? Oh yeah. Positive vibes, guys! Alright guys, we're about to go right up there.
Up the devil's chute. Danny's about to come up. crevice for no reason other than fun and good times. and good times. Whoa!
Whoo, guys, that will get you breathing. Now we're gonna watch Devin. About 2/3 of the way there. Maybe our way down. I'm trying to get up on top of that rock. Right up there. Better get to the top. Hey guys, I want you to put a comment down below if you think Sand could have done this. I think she could have, it just would have taken a whole lot longer. I got faith in my girl. Devin's gonna be a mining man. Oh no. Mining man Devin, mining man Devin. What's up, guys?
Almost to the top.
Almost there, so I'm gonna climb this guy. We'll be at the flag. I'll see you guys at the top. If you guys like this video, hit that like button, that subscribe button, and that notification bell so every time we post a video, you guys will know. Alright guys, well, I'm hanging out on the side of this cliff. We're almost to the flags.
There's Aspen, and action on the mountain. Just past me. Watch out for these underwear.
What's up, guys? Men's underwear.
Oh! America!
Well guys, we made it to see the bear. Our friend Pooch, the old flag bearer.
Flag bearer.
Alright guys, we got a Colorado flag up here. Good old America. This is Aspen.
Here you go.
Right down there, some mining stuff. There's actually a, right up there, they're originally gonna build a restaurant right up there. There's still some of the stuff. We may have to climb up there real quick. I gotta check what time it is. I gotta get to work. Uh-oh. Johnny, don't kill me, please, if I'm late. So guys, that's Highlands all the way back there. Highlands Bowl is the thing way up there.
We'd have to chill for.
That's Snowmass. Way back there, Snowmass. This right here, that's Buttermilk.
That's Devin.
Hospital, if you bump your head, Eddie probably should have went there. Way off in the distance is Mount Cypress. If you guys watched our first video, that was from there. Golf course is right down here. That's one of my favorite places to hang out. Look at these views. Independence Pass way back there. What a great day, guys. We're having some positive vibes and good times. Haven't seen Devin in a long time. Good catching up with him. Hope you guys have enjoyed this journey to the flags. Maybe you can use the way we went to get up here. It's not too hard, just a little loose rocks and jibbing around. Kind of my specialty, but hey. When we started the video, we were actually all the way down there. All right, Vibers, we had a great time up here. You guys have fun?
Oh yeah.
Positive vibes and good times. We had fun at the flag. We're going down now. Sliding down. Yeah, wish us luck. There's gonna be a lot of slippery rocks. Small trees, big trees, they're all gonna be in our way. I'm pushing them though. Let's go. I couldn't see anything. I was even watching. Alright guys, now here's the part where we start going down. I wear long sleeves, guys. For the sliding abilities. Alright. So just so you know, when you do this, your shoes will be filled. All right. Yeah, Devin. Oh shit! Yo! Alright guys, we are getting down this mountain. Almost did the splits. And I can't do the splits. Woo! We are right back here where we mentioned the sign, and when you go up this way, you know I had to let him get ahead, right? I mean, y'all remember in the video that we went to Maroon Bells, I said I was a professional trail runner. Well, this is why. Oh, seriously? Now that's got me breathing. So, way up there, guys. We're back. They're a little bit behind, so we're just waiting for them. But guys, if you did like this video, please like, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, guys. If you ever got any questions for us, just reach down in the comment section and we will get back to you guys. And don't forget to answer that question about sand. All right, he made it. All right, guys, well, I think we're gonna call it quits here. That was a very positive vibe and good time day. Glad you guys can make it. Devin got some boo-boos. Owie! We're out of here, guys. Later.